Hi, I'm Kev from sonsofkane.com. We've had a few comments over the last couple of weeks, and this is from MP Reaper. He wanted to know, can you defend yourself with just one arm? This could be due to a physical disability, a missing limb, or in the case when I've got two canes, one hand on the cane, one hand to defend myself. As usual, my old friend Chris. Hello, mate.
Hello, my really old friend Kevin. So what we're going to be looking at is what works using your cane with one arm and what is not a good idea to try. If you haven't done so already, can you please subscribe? Don't forget to ring the bell so you can receive emails and notifications, and don't forget, as always, breathe fear.
With this principle, I'm going to use a Wing Chun principle, which is centre line. If my hand's here, I've got this distance to push through to deflect the attack. As my hand comes out, as any goalie will tell you, the distance becomes less and less. But just turn around to Dan for a sec. Straight punch through with that hand. Now from here, I've got that distance to push. But rechamber, go again. From here, I've only got to push a hand width away. Push forward. So what we're looking at is, you'll see the shoulder, the elbow and the wrist. Fastest, medium, slowest. I tend to look for the elbow. If I see the elbow move, I'm ready to block that side. Now again, I only want to block forward to a certain extent. That fist is no longer a danger. The second one is come through with the attack, and I'm back to this side. So if that arm's then coming through, I've blocked. With Wing Chun, we present a very minimum side. We usually fight in sort of like this position. So I've got an even less distance to travel. So the punch comes in. The second one. So it's just one little technique to start with this one-armed fighting that we're going to start doing. I'm going to bring Chris in now. I'm going to do it in a slightly different. He's got both hands, but one hand is busy.
Maybe you can only use your cane one-handed. You might have an injury to your arm, limb loss, you might be carrying something heavy that you can't put down, or, as I always have to do, I've got to protect Kev from the beggy man. So one of the things you've got to pick up straight away is, don't do this. If this hand is occupied or not there, if Dan grabs the cane, he's bigger and stronger than me. I'm not going to win this at all. So what I don't want to be doing is giving him something he can grab as an option. I can do swings, etc. But what I'm going to be looking at is covering Kev with my free arm. What I'll be doing is guiding him. So with this arm, I'm controlling him. It doesn't necessarily be someone in a wheelchair. It could be a family member, a child. You're just protecting and covering. I'm going to bring my cane up onto my shoulder. Now, this is a classic like bow stance. If we use a bow, the Shuey position is here. So if I'm here, my arm's occupied, I might be holding onto a child, I might be covering or something like that. So Dan's going to attack. I'm just going to be using these short, circular motions. Very similar to the Wing Chun techniques, but with the cane. Dan comes in with a punch, doesn't matter what it is, I can take it, but I'm going to hook it. I can then start doing these short strikes. I'm not going to extend my arm out, I will lose my cane. Even if he's just there, I've got these short clunks and strikes with the crook. If he does a grab, nothing is going to change. It's these circular motions. You may throw that punch in, I can take that first, hook the elbow, swing it round, I can then do my strikes, pull in, whatever it is I need to do. What I'm not doing is giving away my advantage. So this is very simple, figure of eights, close in, and these will link closely with the Qigong exercises that we're doing. You might notice on the next set that we're going to upload, you'll see some of these moves in these techniques. So play about with these. Could be a double grab. I'm covering, nothing's going to change. I'm going to take him off. I can come out the other way. I'm ready to go. But this on the shoulder gives me a nice bit of leverage. If he does grab the cane, I can still move it around. I can drive, I can do my rhinos if I need to. If it's out here, if I start doing this, I'm covering, it's not really working for me. So close in, keep it close, don't give them the gift of your cane.
Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you liked the video. Again, keep your comments coming. We do listen and we do make videos for you. Give us a thumbs up, give us a like, don't forget to share with your friends.
As always, if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, give it a bash. Don't forget to ring the bell. And as always, free the fear.